So let me show you how to turn off 5G on your Galaxy Z Fold 7. So you might want to turn it off, especially if you're in an area that doesn't have 5G and your phone is expanding a lot of battery life trying to look for 5G networks. So to stop that and just use 4G, go to settings. Under settings, go to connections, and then under connections, you want to go to mobile networks. So here, scroll and find the network mode. So you have network mode for SIM 1 and for my SIM 2, which is actually an eSIM. So for the different SIM cards, you turn them off independently. So I can go to this SIM card and then select LTE preferred. So that means that SIM card will never look for 5G network. It will just use LTE, which is also 4G. And you can do the same for the other SIM card on your phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.